Croeso. Welcome to Chill Cymru, a meditative journey through the soul of Wales that is all about embracing the hwyl, a deep state of joy that comes from being totally immersed in the moment. Each journey takes you to a different corner of this special country, through sound and story, wherever you are in the world. In this episode, you're in Cwmcarn Forest, Cwmcarn, a sanctuary of towering trees, winding trails, and flowing streams in southeast Wales. You've stepped into stillness, into the quiet heart of Cwmcarn Forest, Cwmcarn. Found in this verdant corner of southeast Wales, on the edge of the valleys, where the mountains fold softly down, their slopes blending together in 1,000 shades of green. The living fabric of Cymru, a land once shaped by industry, now reclaimed by nature. There has been healing and renewal here. The forest breathes again. It exhales in peace, slow, soft, alive. Tall pines and oaks rise upward. The forest floor is bathed in dappled light. The sky above glimmers through the canopy. The air is cool and alive with the blended aromas of moss, bark, leaves, and more, a perfume only the forest can create. Nothing else comes close. It's an ancient fragrance, a memory of earth and rain, a scent that brings us back to ourselves. Inhale, exhale. Rwyt ti'n fyw. You are alive. Follow the woodland path. Look around you. Look up. Look. Take it all in. This gift of nature. Exhale. Release the weight you've been carrying. This land has known hardship too. The landscape scarred by industry. The rivers that once ran black with coal. Now they run clear again, and the land teems with life. The renewal is quiet, life-affirming, a symbol of hope, of rebirth. You are part of this moment. Feel connected to the trees, their roots beneath the earth, the layered and textured sounds of the forest all around you, to the rhythm of Cymru itself. You are calm. You are adref, home. To discover the real Wales and plan your visit, go to visitwales.com.